I'm just going to go through how to set up a Google Meet for one of your classes using the calendar app to make sure that they are in your calendar and you can use them over and over again. So the first thing I do is select a time. So I'm going to choose 9 o'clock on Friday morning. So I click on 9 o'clock on Friday morning. And then I'm going to click More Options. And that opens up a bigger window. And the easiest way to do this is to work down from the top. Now for this example, I'm going to use an SMT meeting. So in the title, I'm going to put SMT meeting. And then it's going to be a 55-minute meeting. So I start at 9, I want it to end at 9:55 instead of 9:45. So I click in this box. It doesn't have a 9:55 option. So all I do is click on the right cursor arrow, and then I delete 45 and I change it for 55. And then I click somewhere else on the screen. Now I want this to repeat, and I want it to repeat at a different time. So I go to custom at the bottom here. And then I decide which days I want it to repeat. And then here I want to say it says ends. I want it to end on the 1st of June. So I find June on the calendar, click on the 1st of June, and then I click done. So that's that done. Then I must click add conferencing. So all I do is click on that and click on Google Meet, and that is done. Now the key point, and this is the thing that isn't happening for some people at the moment, is to change the calendar. So I change it to the classroom I want, and the classroom that I want to put it in is SMT. So that is one of my classrooms. So I put it in there. Now it will say for everybody that is in that Google Classroom. I do not need to add guests in the right here. I don't need to do that. That is now set up, and all I do is click Save there, and you can see it will appear in my calendar on Friday morning there, and it's a similar colour to geography, which is annoying, but I can actually change the colour, and I can show you that separately if you want. But there it is in the meeting, and if I click on next week, there it is again. So that has gone in the calendar, and that will appear on the boys' calendars if they are in that classroom. I hope that makes sense.